Welcome back. Yesterday, we talked about the necessity of safety when navigating trauma. Today, we look at the how. How do we actually resolve a condition that is woven into our physiology? In 2017, the International Journal of Clinical and Experimental Hypnosis published a study detailing the pathways model. This changed the way we view PTSD from a problem to be solved to a system to be re-regulated. The pathways model works because it's multi-modal. It doesn't rely on just one technique. It begins by stabilizing your daily behaviors, the foundation, then moves to building your personal toolkit through self-hypnosis, and only then introduces advanced professional work like EMDR or clinical hypnosis. You are effectively building a bridge, one stable step at a time. The research highlights that PTSD is essentially chronic sympathetic nervous system activation. You're stuck in fight or flight. We don't talk our way out of that. We train our way out of it by proving to the brain through repetitive safe actions that the immediate threat has passed. Today, your task is to establish your pathway 1. We're focusing on stabilization. I want you to pick one simple, non-negotiable behavioral change that signals safety to your body. Could be a morning stretch, a dedicated time to put the phone away, or a specific breathing sequence at sunset. When you perform this action today, I want you to say internally, I am building my foundation. You are grounding your nervous system in the reality of the present. PTSD thrives on the chaos of then. Your recovery is built on the predictable safety of the now. Do your stabilization ritual today with total presence. You're proving to your nervous system that you are the one in control of your daily environment. Tomorrow, we'll move from the systemic nature of trauma to the specific evidence-backed promise of hypnosis for depression. See you then.